In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a task within Clickup. The process is straightforward and simple, so let's just get straight into it. The first thing you want to do is select the space that you want to add the task for. So if I want to go and choose this specific space right here, I'll click on the space and you can go into a subspace within that, so a list within that, and then you can load that up real quick. Now to add a task is very simple. You can see underneath each section here it says new task. Simply just click on new task and then you can type your task, test email, then you can click on save. Once it's saved, you can click on it one more time and then you can do things like give it a description, assign someone to this specific task, you can give it different tags if you want, and all that good stuff. Add attachments, a to-do list, and new subtasks, and that's basically it. When you're done, close that out, and then when you've completed it, you can move it to there in review or into another section within your space. So that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.